In this video, I'll show you how to increase or decrease alarm volume on Android step by step. If your alarm is too quiet or too loud, or you missed an alarm because the sound was low, this guide will help you fix it easily. First, open Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Sound or Sound and Vibration. Depending on your phone brand, this option may be named slightly differently. Here, you will see different volume sliders such as Media Volume, Ringtone Volume, Touch Volume, and Alarm Volume. Find the alarm volume slider and drag it to the right to increase the volume, or to the left to decrease the volume. Once you set the volume, press the back button to save the changes. If your alarm is still too low, make sure your phone is not in silent mode or do not disturb mode. Also, check that your alarm sound is not set to a very soft tone. That's it. That's how you can easily increase or decrease alarm volume on Android phones. This method works on Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, and most other Android devices. If this video helped you, leave a comment below, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more easy Android tutorials.